quick dry pants?
I don't know.
Joe's got new golf pants.
They look
like quick dry, yeah. Joe, where are we? Are you practicing your golf swing in your new golf pants? So where did we come today on this rainy day?
Went to the zoo tomorrow.
To the rain.
To the rain? We're at the zoo! We came to Riverbanks Zoo to enjoy a rainy day. It's actually better than it was in Charleston when we left, so fingers crossed it holds off. And we're gonna enjoy the zoo with Mom. Rita's here. Hey, hi.
Hello, hello.
We've got some guest passes to use up, so we're gonna treat her to the zoo day. We're here. Excited to have the day. Pinky. Oh! Hi! Good morning!
Whatever they stuck in there.
The fence? Are you even supposed to be eating that?
I would think so.
Is it
Looks
good?
like it's been cut and stuck in there.
No. You sound like Mr. Bean.
You can't leave. He wants.
Like trying to get in with this other guy, and this other guy's like not having it. Yeah. It's kind of funny.
Snake bite?
Sort of. He's like, can I just cuddle with you please? And he just keeps like getting tighter and tighter, like no, I don't want to cuddle with you.
But then I did smack him. I didn't like it.
We just finished up at the zoo. Mom made a couple gift shop purchases.
You should have taken that inside.
Maybe we can see it later.
A stingray.
Yeah.
Stingray decoration.
I should have vlogged the
a rhinoceros for the Cassie and Joe's house.
It's gonna be fun. Joe, how'd you like the zoo today?
Terrible weather.
It cleared up and it didn't rain on us. Perfect rainy day activity. Did you have fun, Mom?
I did. Thank you very much.
Now we're
gorgeous.
All the rugrats are coming.
Yeah, all the kids are coming in, so we're gonna peace out and get some lunch. Headed to our favorite Indian restaurant in Columbia. So stay tuned.
Persia.
So excited. We made it to our favorite place.
Persis.
Menu.
Persis, you're right.
It's extensive. we're definitely getting naan bread. And we're definitely getting some mango lassi because it's delicious. Alright, we've gone for the gobi, which is a fried mushroom, or not mushroom, cauliflower with spicy sauce. Looks good.
At a level 1.
Yes.
Whatever last sound
We've
it
gone for the naan bread basket. Look at this. Look at this. Looks amazing. Alright, I've gone for the paneer tikka masala with rice that's over there. Joe, bring the rice over in the middle for me, Rita and I. There we go. You just take that. You didn't give us a spoon for the rice. Okay,
Sure.
that's okay. We'll figure it out. And Joe, what'd you get? What'd you get?
Rice and that's a good question. Some sort of chicken.
You always do this. And some rice.
I don't remember.
Alright, Rita.
This is a roasted eggplant vegetable stew, and then chana masala with the chickpeas.
Good. So, how was lunch?
Delicious.
Delicious?
Like always.
Like always. I thought it was delicious too, like always. Rita, what'd you think?
Absolutely. Lunch was delicious.
Delicious?
Absolutely.
That place is so good. If
It
you're
is
going to the
good.
zoo,
We have zoo fun and dry, and then a delicious dinner.
yeah, we didn't get rained on. Yay! Go for us. Go us. Yep. Definitely worth it. Go to the zoo, go get your Indian food, and then you can go home. So I think that's it for today. See you guys next time. Bye!